last, a new age has begun! This time will be different. A new dawn for the Princess of the Night! But before that begins, I must first deal with the two of you! Starting with you, Princess Twilight. Do you want a big piece or a small one?
Are all of our birthdays like this?
Yes, every single year.